Under the moon, they stand in line, hearts heavy, lost in time. Battles rage, but in their mind, it's their lovers they can't find. War soldiers waiting for lovers, through the silence their hearts still hover. Fighting a war, belonging for peace, in their arms where the battles cease. Land is torn, the ink has faded, memories of love never jaded. They march on, but in their core, they're dreaming of home and nothing more. War soldiers waiting for lovers, through the silence their hearts still hover. Fighting a war, belonging for peace, in their arms where the battles cease. Blood is torn, the ink has faded, memories of love never jaded. They march on, but in their core, they're dreaming of home and nothing more. War soldiers waiting for lovers, through the silence their hearts still hover. Fighting a war, belonging for peace, in their arms where